Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of Selector Sub. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can generate the XPath with double quotes or single quotes as per your choice. So maybe in the past you might have seen or noticed that Selector Sub generate XPath and CSS selector with single quote using single quote in attributes and text. But there were like many people those who write attribute value inside double quotes, and in fact some of the APIs which supports uh, which they like support double quotes only. So this feature is suggested by my friend Ken, creator of Tag UI. So in Tag UI, this it is supported, double quotes is supported. Like you will have to write attribute value inside double quotes. So he requested that Sanjay, can we have this feature so that like we will not have to do a manual task here. So this is really amazing, and I really thankful to Ken. And if you haven't explored Tag UI, please do check it out here. So suppose for an example, if we have to write an XPath or something CSS selector for any element here. So by default you will see that, let me just zoom in. By default, if you notice here, it generates with single quote, but this will not be supported there, and we want with double quote. So how can we do that? There is a button. Quickly you just have to simply click on this, and now it will be generated with double quotes converted. This is converted into double quotes. Now if you inspect any of the element, you will find that it is generating with double quotes. And this uh, this command will be saved in your local. So basically this setting config will be saved in local. So whenever you will open next time, you will need not to worry about that whether it will generate with single quote or double quote. It will generate whatever setting you kept there. So it is very easy now. If you're writing command in let's say Tag UI, so this is the command basically in Tag UI, echo, and then or let's say enter, read, whatever is that. So up to you what kind of command you write it here, so that you can add here. So for an example, directly you can add this like this way. Press this echo, and then if so, as now it is generated with double quote, so you will have to enter here single quote value. Inside single quote you will have to cap that. Make sure like whenever you use generate XPath with double quote, in that case you keep this XPath value inside single quote. So you see that it is generated, and now you can copy and use it in your Tag UI script or whichever script you are using. At any point of time you feel that you don't want to generate with double quotes, you can just again click on and it will turn off. Now it will generate with single quotes. So it is very convenient now, and it is very useful. It's up to you whether you want to generate with double quotes, whether you want to generate with single quote. So you will not have to waste time. Basically the purpose of this feature is to give you the flexibility, so that as per your framework you can generate the selectors, and it will save your time. Here you see that both like CSS selectors and XPath both will be converted whenever you will play around with this feature. So hope this will save a lot of time for you, and please do let me know in the comment section how you like this feature, whether it is useful for you or not. And if you are using this feature, please let me know how you are using this feature, and what is the command you use in your framework, like driver.findElement, what kind of command you use. So please let me know that. I will keep improving Selector Sub and will keep supporting you guys on your day-to-day automation work. And I really request you, please like, share this video, and let others know about Selector Sub. Please subscribe to the channel so that you will don't miss any upcoming innovation updates. And please support Selector Sub. If you are making if you are using in your office work and you feel that it is helping in your enterprise, please donate and be patron of Selector Sub and support this community and product. With that, thank you so much.